I just got done editing yesterday's video, and I think I have undiagnosed ADD. Because after watching that, I'm going from thing to thing to thing to thing to thing without any rhyme or reason. I can't just like stick to a project. And so I think I have ADD of some sort of capacity. Once we tilt it, we can spin it. Yeah?
Lee's gonna look in the back and see me.
We'll both go.
Lee's gonna look in the back and see me.
Going down. Go in. Hold it. I hold it. You're good. Okay, you're in position. Can you hold it?
Oh yeah.
Okay, go down. Yeah, I'm good. Keep going down.
Can we turn it?
Let's just go down a little bit.
Down.
Right. Ah, it's here.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. So now we're in drive. Oh. Okay. Now you move. Can you hold?
No.
We might need Leo.
Down. Easy, easy, easy. We got more than half in.
Oh.
One, two, three. It's fine. I mean, we can take them out. We can move them.
Life straps. Here is the Pepsi machine. Right inside, we've got. These doors are heavy. Inside we've got the brains, all the stuff down here, and over here, all the money stuff, and the coin stuff, and the lights that don't work. I'll have to change those to LED probably. But this is the new vending machine. Nice Pepsi machine. This will go good somewhere. I don't know where yet. If you have any suggestions, let me know. I'd love to get this set up as soon as possible. There's still some things to take care of. I need to make this look good. These are pretty faded. I'll have to figure about getting replacements of these. Get those all replaced. If you guys can tell me what this is for, I would appreciate it. I want to say it's for like trash, like maybe, I don't know, people put their trash in there, but I have no idea. It could be a credit card thing, but there's a spot right up here where a credit card thing could go, which I might do. Checked it all out, tested it, and it all works. Only thing is, just replace those so they look good, replace that so it looks good. If you guys can tell me what this light does too, I'd appreciate that. It doesn't seem to be doing anything. So maybe it says credit, I don't know, but it's not working currently. When red light is visible, select button, or if product was not delivered, please make another selection. Yeah, I don't know, all these are lit up because they're sold out. I took the spring off of this one so it's not lit up. I'm excited to get this put in somewhere and start making some money. Even though it's a slow time of year, it might still make some money. Especially if it's in a business, like a shop or something. That might be a good idea. There's only one, well, there's like 2 or 3 mechanic shops in town, but I think maybe I'll have a spot for it soon. We'll see. I'll make some calls. It's 3:50. I've got a little bit of time left before I need to go to sleep before work. I haven't put all this stuff away. I just got distracted or something. I don't know. Back to my conversation I was having with myself earlier. So I think I have ADD, but like I said, I don't see it, and I didn't see it until yesterday's video. I never put this stuff away yesterday. I think I got tired and went to sleep. I don't remember. But I did put some of the electrical stuff away. I got the connectors put away. I still have those and all this stuff. I'm gonna take care of that right now. I got everything put away except for these 3. I'm returning that, and these are cleaning supplies for the car. Well, after a long nap and a shower, I'm back at work. Later on today, I'm uploading my Dodge Dart transmission installation video. I'd appreciate it if you guys go watch that. I'm going to put a card right up here. That's a conclusion of the Dodge Dart. There might be a couple small things here and there, the buffing, etc. But that's going to be it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.